It's time to craft. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, my subbies. So what we're going to make tonight is a novelty notepad out of this graham cracker box. That's right, guys. So this will be a fun gift to give to someone, a very inexpensive gift to give to someone, especially like teens and people who like really unique gifts. And let's say, what better way to give someone a gift of thought, right? So all you're going to do is just like I did, I just used my utility knife, cut off the edges, and now I am just taking these notepads that come in 3 in a pack from the Dollar Tree, and I am just fitting them inside of the box or the lid, the back lid of this box. Guys, this is so much fun. I like putting these together, and I also will use these and recreate them and then sell them at a pop-up shop or something like that. And I also just give them away. I also not only just create these just using the notepads, but I will make journals out of them too. So these are other options that you can do to, one, earn extra income, and secondly, you can sell them at pop-up shops, give them as gifts. And I wanted to bring this to the channel, something different to break up some of the Christmas content. However, it still ties to Christmas because, again, you can give this as a gift. So what I'm doing now is just taking some of that scrapbook paper, and I just, pulled out some, the blue and white to something that I felt like would kind of go with the actual aesthetics of the box. And I am just using some of that Eileen clear tacky glue to apply my scrapbook paper to it. And I am just pressing it down, and that's going to really just be it, other than just making sure that I trim around and the edges of the box to make sure that it is lining up with the notepad. And you will have to manipulate this piece, I am not going to lie to you, but it's so easy to do. As you can see here, again, I'm just clearing up some of the edges because I needed to cut a piece to put on the fold that is going to go on the inside of the back liner. And again, as you can see here, I am just using the glue. We'll add that extra scrapbook paper to the fold of this piece, and I will just press down, making sure that the adhesive and the paper seals really well. And again, guys, I cannot wait for you to see the outcome of this. And I will encourage you to wait a few seconds, or at least 5 to 10 minutes to let the glue actually bond to the scrapbook paper, because otherwise you'll get some rips. And I did do that because I was impatient, but that's okay. It still turned out cute. And I'm just trimming up the edges of this. And now you see me taking my notepad, and I am getting ready to seal it to the back portion of the flap. And of course, I did not want the edges to be just hanging off, so I did create a little fold there, as you can see. And you can actually create a pocket out of this if you want, but I chose not to. I just laid it flat. And again, I'm using some of that Eileen's tacky glue, the clear color one, and applying the scrapbook paper to the backing of the actual notepad. I did end up using a little bit of the hot glue to the top portion just to give it a quick seal. But again, you can use a strong adhesive to recreate this if you like. As a matter of fact, get you a bunch of boxes of stuff that you've used and just create you some journals, guys, and just give them as gifts for Christmas. It's the thought what count. It really is. It's the thought. And what better way to give a gift of novelty? Fun. Stick with Joy. She'll give you some ideas now. Anyway, as you can see, I am now adding some of that hot glue to seal the flip that was from the outer edge downward. And as you can see now, the back portion of this notepad is complete. I am trimming away some of the excess paper that was on the sides as far as the scrapbook paper that was like hanging over the edge. And then now we are getting ready to cut out the front cover for our novelty notebook. And as you can see, this worked out perfectly. And I am just getting ready to trim off the sides so that I can get to the top portion of this notepad. And again, guys, I cannot wait for you to see it. This is a very easy process. It does take time to make sure that you are cutting as evenly as you can. Now, you all know, if you are a regular on my channel, that Joy doesn't cut really well. I've never really been able to cut straight lines, even with a ruler. But that's okay, and I really do not want you all judging me on that. When I really need something really cut really straight, I'll just go to Uncle T, and he takes care of that for me. But anyway, guys, I want to welcome all of my new and returning subscribers to my channel. I also want to say that I hope you all had a great day. I ended up working really late tonight, but I said, you know what, I got to get this voiceover done so that I can get it uploaded to the channel for my subbies. As promised, I am going to try my best to give you all a DIY for Christmas every single day this week. So that is 7 projects this week, and I am participating in a collaboration this week as well, so stay tuned for that. And I will be uploading some information about that collaboration to the community tab probably tomorrow, so stay tuned to that. Make sure you check out that my community tab. And also, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. So as you can see, my notepad is coming together wonderfully. And of course, you know, like I said, you have to add some, you know, you can, this is strictly optional. But for me, when I do these type of projects, and you know, there's some couple blemishes or something like that, I'm, you know, try to hide it, so to speak, or make it look more professional. Now, this particular piece, I ended up, this is going to be one for me. I'm going to keep it here at my desk and use it here at my desk, but I did want to bring it to the channel so you guys can see how easy it is to put together these novelty notebooks that you can sell as well as give as gift at Christmas time. So again, guys, make sure that when you are adding your glue to your scrapbook paper, and make sure that you let it dry. Give it some drying time. Don't do everything Joy does, you know, because again, you will have some tears and then you will have to keep manipulating the project even the more just to get it to look right. So some of the things that I like while you watch me do this piece, I like creating journals out of things such as boxes and, of stuff that, our favorite chip, or, like my husband, he loves graham crackers, and, just about anything. And I also like creating journals out of AI, so I do have those. I like creating junk journals. One thing about Joy is that I love office supplies, and people think that's strange, but I do. I love pens, I love pencils, I love paper. I just do. I love notebooks. That's just one of the things that I actually like. Hint, hint. So, feel free to, send me some pens and things like that if you want to. Just check out my P.O. Box, 683, Willow Springs, North Carolina, 27592. Go ahead and send me some pens, guys. But anyway, again, I'm just going around where there's a little lip and it was like folded. And I'm just trying to bring in some of that color from the scrapbook paper to the front portion of this piece. And that's going to really be it for this project. Now, what I did do, and I'm not sure because I'm a little ahead, or maybe I'm a little behind with the voiceover. But anyway, I did just use some jute rope to create a little hanger for the pen. And of course, I added a little bow on my notebook just because I wanted to add a bow. But that's okay. I wanted to add the bow. And so where some of the paper had roughed up a little, and I just wanted to burn the edges and give it a real clean look. And you see my little notebook, guys. Look at it. It is coming together. It's so cute. And this is where I was telling you that I created I was actually trying to create a little hanger to hang a pen holder. Again, I didn't have anything near me, so I was like, I'll just use some jute rope. And then, of course, I'm going to add my little jute twine bow here. And, like I said, if you want to give something for Christmas, this will be a good Christmas gift, novelty Christmas gift for your teen, or, just anyone that likes fun decor or fun items. And for me, creating these is so much fun. I enjoy doing them, obviously. And I enjoy showing people how to save money and how to be creative and, just step outside of your norm. And, hey, so why not? Again, guys, I hope that you will try this. Again, as you can see, it's not a very expensive project. The box was free because we had already, Uncle T had already had his graham crackers. And the notepads cost me $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. And that's basically it. A novelty notebook for $1.25. And as you can see, I'm gluing down my little pencil holder. And again, that's added my jute twine bow, and that's really it, guys. So again, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. So guys, I pray that you all have a blessed day, and we're heading into the reveal. Guys, look at my little notebook. Is it not cute? I think it turned out so super cute. And I'm showing you the inside of it. As you can see, the pages are there. Nothing is falling apart. Now I'm turning it over so you can see the back side of it. And you couldn't even tell that this was something that I made out of a box. You really, you could not tell. You guys got to let me know what you think about this project. Make sure that you leave it in the comment section of this video, and really share this video with your friends and family, and just let everyone know, hey, you can do this too. Be creative, guys. And all I want to say is I pray that you all have a blessed night. And until the next DIY, which will be uploaded to the channel tomorrow, I will be talking to you soon. Bye for now.